Welcome back to my channel, KD Tech. 1. What does URL stand for? A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Universal Resource Link. C. Uniform Reference Link. D. Unified Resource Locator. Two. Which protocol is used to transfer web pages? A. FTP. B. HTTP. C. SMTP. D. TCP. Three. Which of the following is a web browser? A. Google. B. Windows. C. Chrome. D. Yahoo. Four. What is the full form of www? A. World Wide Web. B. World Web Window. C. Wide World Web. D. Web Worldwide. Five. Which device connects a computer to the internet? A. Printer. B. Scanner. C. Modem. D. Plotter. Six. Which protocol is used for sending emails? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SMTP. D. IP. Seven. Which of the following is a search engine? A. Chrome. B. Google. C. Windows. D. Linux. Eight. Email address must contain A. Number, B. At, C. and D. $. 9. Which of the following is used to upload files to the internet? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SMTP. D. POP. 10. The brain of the computer network is A. CPU. B. Router. C. Server. D. Modem.